What is up, everybody out there in YouTube land? Jose, once again, PetRockMedia.com, shooting on the Canon R50 V, back outside in the yard, doing a quick test. This is the Canon RF 35mm f1.8, nifty, like plasticky type of lens, but it is a pretty decent lens. If you're not looking to break the bank and get an L series lens, this I would probably say is one of my most recommended lenses for videography, cinematography. It is on the R50 V, so of course you have to adjust for the crop factor. So this is roughly about closer to a 50mm ish, 40 something millimeter lens. So it is a little tight. Primarily, the lens that I would recommend for the R50 V is probably going to be in the 20s, so that way you can get roughly a 35mm equivalent. Not going to be out here too long. There is a ton of flies out here, but I just again wanted to do a quick test on the Canon R50 V. Going to be seeing a lot more Canon R50 V videos on here because, as I mentioned in my previous video, this camera is awesome. It's small, it's compact. Right now, again, shooting with the Sennheiser microphone, Manfrotto Pixie tripod, 35mm lens. I do have the Peter McKinnon right there. I have this particular variable ND on it. It's a 2 to 5 stop, and it is on 2 stops right now. Man, I'm counting like 7 flies right now, so we're gonna get out of here relatively quickly. This is a short video, but what I did want to let you all know also is that this is a straight out of the camera image. I am not doing any color grading. Well, I shouldn't say any, because I might add like a vintage look or something like that through Enhancer Pro, but this image right here that you're looking at right now is straight out of camera. I went in custom menu, custom profile, but instead of shooting to C-Log 3, I shot directly to Rec 709. So this is Canon's, I guess if you will, filtration to kind of let you see straight out of camera Rec 709 from Canon. I think Canon does a pretty decent job of doing that conversion. And all I normally do with this type of footage is maybe increase the saturation a little bit, maybe a little bit on the exposure. But other than that, straight out of camera, I think if you are a fan of Canon's color science, then I think you're really going to enjoy the image that comes out of this camera. But again, just wanted to give you a quick, I guess, video of what it would look like with this particular setup. I'm looking to get a little bit of a wider angle lens specifically for this R50 V, so that way we can see if we can get a much wider stance, because right now the camera is further, about arm's length away from me, instead of being a little bit closer, a little bit tighter. So I am having to be a little bit further away. That's why you kind of just see from right here. If I come up right here, I'm kind of all the way out of the shot, or kind of, just right here. But again, let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Again, I will leave some affiliate links down below if you're looking to purchase this particular kit. Use them, don't use them. It's really entirely up to you. Doesn't hurt my feelings at all. I'll catch y'all in the next one. All right, let me know if y'all have any other questions, and if you look forward to the Canon Canon R50 V, sorry, content, and let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see with this particular camera. All right, y'all take it easy. Have a good one. Peace.